and welcome back to another Visual Basics 2010 Express Edition tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make the login form for this new program we're going to make called SAPI. What SAPI is as it says up there, I already made the form. Speech Application Programming Interface. It was made by Microsoft, the voice in that. But today we are going to use it in our own little program we're going to make. So what I'm going to make today, this is going to be a two-parted video, is the login form, and then the next video will be the actual SAPI and the coding part. It's going to be something like taking commands in and that, so something like that, okay? So, yeah. Let's start off with, we're not going to do that. To save us time, we are not going to make our own design of a login form. You can, but you don't have to. What we're going to do is go to SAPI, right click on it, or the name of your program, go add, new item. Then it'll bring up this add new items, SAPI. So this is not a new project, this is like a little class or another Windows form inside the form, basically. We're going to scroll down to find login form, and it gives a bit of route. You can name this, but you have to have .vb on the end, otherwise it will not work. So I'm not going to name it, I'm just going to leave it as login form.vb. Click add, and it will load. Let it load a sec. Any second now. I must have pause the video until it loads, okay? So, okay, I am back and it's just finished loading. So this is the login form, it's already made for us. I did not make this, it was made by this login form. So we're just going to name it called Login to SAPI. That's the name of my program, you don't have to call it that since it is kind of Microsoft a bit. Oh, I can't smell SAPI. Oh, SAPI. Oh. Login to SAPI, like so, and its username, and then the username field, passcode field, and then you have the OK and cancel button. In case you're wondering how to make, see it has like passcode with a line under, name with a line under O and C. In case you're wondering how to do that, I'm just going to grab a button. And you see I can't make the first letter is not underlined. What you have to do to make it underlined is, let's see my name. To make it underlined you have to put a little and, not the word and, you have to put that symbol before it with no space, and then it gives you a little underline thing. Just to let you know. Double click on the OK button and it should already, see, it already made some code for us. What the OK button, as it says OK.click, what we want it to do is that to go away. That just closes it, me.close. So we don't want that. We want if is that, what's it called? Username text box. Oh great. Let's just call it user. And we're going to call this one pass. So we're going to go back to the OK and go if user.text equals pass, and this way you can add your username in. So it can be, I'm just going to do Jack. Okay. And pass dot text equals, then you can have your passcode, so I'm just going to do it YouTube, enter, and then it'll give you a then and end if. So basically, like the first video I did with the login form, it's basically the same thing, okay? So I'm going to do if then form 1 dot show. I'm going to go form1.show, and then we're going to do me.hide. I'm just going to run through this code a sec. So it's going to do if the username, that's the user, that's password field. If that and the text of that equals Jack, and it makes your and this and passcode, so that's the text box dot text, so the text equals equals YouTube, and that's the passcode. Then form1.show, basically that shows this form here, and then it hides this form so you can't see it anymore. We're going to do it else too in case you got the passcode wrong. Else message box username or wrong, like so. So basically that's going to say if it's not that, if it can't do it, if that and that and that is not that, then, or else in this matter, then it's going to message box, little pop-up thing. I've explained that a lot of times in lots of videos. It pops up saying username or password is wrong. That's about it for the user thingamajiggy. But there is a problem. If you click start, it will not open the login form. It will just go to this form 1, as I'll show you now. There, see, not form 1, not the right form. Okay, so it's meant to go to login form. How do you fix that, you might ask? You go to SAPI, just click it once, right click, scroll down to properties or adult enter. Let that load. Then you just scroll down to startup form. So it's going to go to that form first, but you don't want that. We want to go to login form 1. Just click login form 1. So next time we load it, let it load. Straight away opens the login form. So then you basically already shown you this. You get the passcode wrong, blah blah blah, wrong. But if you get the passcode and username right, so the passcode, the username is Jack, and the passcode is. Do you not have a capital? Yep, I had a capital. YouTube. Wait there a sec. Cancel. Sorry, I can't remember the passcode I set. Let it load. Looking for what else it is. Oh, YouTube. Okay. I was gonna do my email passcode there. I'm gonna go. So username is. Have I got the username on? Jack. Passcode is YouTube. Of course, you can change this because the code will be in the description. Okay, and it opens form 1, and the other form disappears like so. So in the next video, I will be showing you the next part in this, how to actually make the SAPI part. So we made the login form in this one. Next video, I will be showing you how to do the SAPI. So don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, as I say in mostly every video. Leave a comment in the description if you need help. Email me if you do so wish. Yeah, see you next video. And next video should be out probably tomorrow or the next day. So I'll see you then. Goodbye.